The course methodology would also not be unconventional and would be innovative. It would involve games, brainstorming sessions, group discussions, case studies, and so on. As of a 2014 report, India's formally skilled workforce is just 2%. Additionally, there is a huge problem of employability among the educated workforce of the country. Lack of vocational or professional skills makes it difficult for the youth to adapt to changing demands and technologies of the marketplace. The high level of unemployment is due to the failure to get jobs and also due to a lack of competency and training. To capitalize on this, there is only a narrow demographic window, that of a few decades. There will thus be a shift from this sector to other secondary and tertiary activities. The NSDM was launched for creating convergence across various sectors and different states with respect to activities relating to skills training. The mission, apart from consolidating and coordinating skills efforts, would also facilitate decision making across sectors to achieve quality skilling on a large scale. For more on the National Skill Development Mission, click. The scheme contains many specialized components such as the National Skills Qualifications Framework (NSQF), recognition of prior learning (RPL), Kaushal and Rozgar meals, among others. The chief objective of this policy is to match the challenge of skilling at scale with speed, standard quality, and sustainability. It aims to offer an umbrella framework to all skilling activities carried out within India, to align them to common standards and connect skilling with demand centers. In addition to laying down the objectives and expected outcomes, the policy also identifies the overall institutional framework which will act as a means to achieve the expected results. The ministry is implementing many other schemes in the skill development domain along with the above major schemes. One such important scheme is the Pradhan Mantri Yuva Udyamita Vikas Abhiyan PM-Yuva. It is a centrally sponsored scheme related to entrepreneurship, education and training. The development and education of entrepreneurship to all citizens free of cost through massive open online courses and learning systems. The designing of assessment and certification mechanism for the same, to equip institutes, schools and colleges to help them deliver entrepreneurship educational programs of global standards. Also to focus on social entrepreneurship promotion, the creation of an online web-based platform that connects entrepreneurs, investors, financial institutions and business services such as legal, accounting, HR and technology services. The setting up of a national mentor network for budding entrepreneurs create a network of incubators, credit agencies, business service providers, and accelerators. Establishment of a national entrepreneurship resource and coordination hub to coordinate and support entrepreneurship development programs. The creation of a culture of dynamic entrepreneurship by way of branding and the media. Promote entrepreneurship research and advocacy. Include social entrepreneurship awareness programs for the marginal sections like SC/ST and minority. Stop.